so I am back, and today we have the Korean version of Songbird from NCT WISH. I remember listening to the Japanese version and I thought it was super cute, very fun. So I am excited to hear this in Korean. I'm also wondering if the MV is gonna be different, because from the opening shot it looks like it's gonna be different. So yeah, I'm very excited. So without any further ado, let's go. Alright, so I went ahead and found the members again on K-Profiles, because I am completely lost on the members and who is who. So we got Sion. I'm guessing Sion. He's the leader, born in 2002. Now I know we have been through this before, but yeah. He has a little beauty spot right under his eye. Oh, he has two actually. Okay, then we're gonna look for that. That's Sion. Right. Then we have Riku. I don't really see any characteristic I can point out as of now. But okay. Yoshi, another one with the... Oh yeah, he's the one who has freckles, right? Yeah, I think so. Alright, freckles. That's Yoshi. Right, okay. Jae, I think it's Jae. He kind of resembles Baekhyun in a way. Actually. Does anyone else see it? I see it. Alright. Rio? Maybe? Okay. Sakuya. Okay, three of them have a beauty spot, a mole right under their eyes. It's gonna be tough. Okay. Honestly, I don't know if this is gonna help me anything, but okay.
Feels good.
Wait. Let's just...
Feels good.
See, I opened here as well, because, okay, so he's the blonde one, so that's Sion, right? The leader. I don't see no beauty spot, but he has the same hair color as he has here, so, okay. Can you... Okay, who... Ooh, okay. Who are you? Wait, there's two who's blonde, but I don't think that first one was Yushi. No, I don't think so. Okay. But who are... Are you the one I said kind of resembled Baekhyun? Jae? Because you don't really resemble him here. But I think it's you. Maybe. Or maybe not. No, the nose doesn't match, I think. Oh, I'm not sure. Maybe it's because of the angle. It looks different. No, I don't think... No, because the lips looks different. But they could be makeup. Okay, let's... I don't think it's you. Sakuya. I think that would be him, because he looks very looks very young. So who are you? Then. You don't look like any of those in this photos. I don't know who... Someone help me, please. We can move on. Wait a moment. Wait. No one had blue hair. No, you cannot do that. You cannot... No one has. Isn't this supposed to be like super like updated? I'm so low. Okay, I don't think the blue hair one is Sakuya. I don't think it's Rio. You know, I give up. None of them resembles what they like. None of them looks like they do in their like K profiles. I give up. But I like the song. Oh wait. Who? No, like I'm so lost. Like I swear I'm in here looking at K profiles, being like, but I doubt it's. Your hair is blonde-ish, and the only two who are blonde here is Yushi, and then Sion. But that doesn't look like Sion, like he looks in the picture. But it could be you. The MD is definitely different though. Wait. Someone had blonde hair and now it's pink. What? See, these MVs, this is not for those who are new, okay? These are not for people who are new to the group, because maybe the blonde one is Sion. Maybe. I don't know. I don't see any, like, I thought I would go for, like, seeing, like, the molds under, like, their eyes, but and I don't see any freckles either, so just... See, this group has learned my weakness already when it comes to winking. It doesn't matter, like, it's just... A wink is so charming, you know? Now, who are you? Do you have freckles? I don't see any freckles. Maybe you're Ryu? Maybe? Based on the face shape, it could be you. Yeah, I think maybe you are Ryu, but I'm gonna forget it, so... Or Sakuya? I think you're one of the youngest at least, because you look young. You look like you could be 10 years younger than me. Or, yeah. I don't know. I said I was gonna give up, but I'm not, so... 기다려왔어 또 show we just getting started 불어오는 바람을 타고 step 여러 색으로 반진 뒤 또 너와 내 목소리가 울려 퍼져 영원히 yeah 춤을 춰 밤이 새도록 위다 song on repeat 기적은 있어 가까이 꽉 쥔 두 손 함께 big in your heart 네 어깨 위에서 someone with blonde again. Also, Is the MV different, or am I just imagining things? Because I feel like it is very different, but at the same time, some of the elements are very like similar to the Japanese version. So yeah.
Sing for you. Give me some. Alright, come on.
Ooh, I like his voice.
Just you and I, 눈부시게 let it shine. Yeah. Little songbird, little songbird, little songbird. Yeah, little songbird. Sing the melody again now.
Yeah, this is different because I hit you again. I'm sorry. This is very different because the Japanese version we were starting with like them sitting around like a chessboard, or was it like a something, and then it was like the door, a little like birdie came, well, went in and then came out at the end again. So there are differences here. I'm sorry, I have no idea who is who. I swear I'm trying. I'm just I don't see the resemblance from photos to this music video. So I'm completely lost. Alright, so that was the Korean version of Songbird. It sounded amazing both in Japanese and Korean. It sounded maybe like more familiar in a way listening to it in the Korean version, because I'm like usually used to listening to Korean music and not too much of Japanese music. But yeah, I think I picked up some like differences from the MV. I was a little lost like in the middle if it was actually differences or not, but yeah. Also the members, I tried my best to see if I could like spot someone but no, completely lost. So I do gonna need help in the comments. So yeah. Anyways, if you watched all the way over here, then you're a gem, and if you liked it, then I really made something that you enjoyed. Until the next time I post. Goodbye!